2026 Bentley Continental GT is a blend of modern luxury and powerful performance. As the camera moves around the car, the rear view shows a redesigned bumper with oval exhausts and a sleek diffuser that improves aerodynamics. The crystal-cut tail lamps create a deep, glowing effect that stands out on the road at the front. The large matrix grille makes an instant impact, paired with new LED HD matrix headlamps that give the GT a sharp, unmistakable identity. Smooth bonnet lines flow into the fenders, creating a muscular yet elegant shape that defines this grand tourer. From the right side, the car's classic proportions become clear. A long hood, wide stance, and strong shoulder line give it presence and balance. The 22-inch wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, fill the arches perfectly for a confident road posture. A lower right-side angle highlights the GT's sporty, grounded feel. On the left side, the continuity of design stands out. The polished chrome surrounds, flush door handles, and black mirror housings enhance the streamlined look. The metallic paint reflects light beautifully, highlighting every curve and detail inside. The Continental GT delivers Bentley's finest craftsmanship. Premium leather, wood veneers, and metal accents wrap the cabin in luxury. The rotating display switches between a touchscreen analog dials or a smooth wood panel. The seats offer heating, cooling, and 24-way adjustments for effortless comfort. Ambient lighting allows you to customize the cabin's mood with multiple color options. The audio experience is elevated by Bentley's high-end sound system, delivering crisp clarity. The center console is clean and modern, with knurled switches and a floating metal finish. Cabin insulation, spacious legroom, and advanced air suspension make long journeys smooth and quiet. Under the hood, the updated twin-turbo V8 delivers strong acceleration and refined power. The GT sprints from 0 to 100 km/h in seconds, supported by all-wheel drive, rear-wheel steering, and intelligent drive dynamics. Whether cruising on highways or navigating winding roads, the car stays stable and confident. What sets the 2026 Continental GT apart is its balance of luxury, performance, and craftsmanship. Every stitch, surface, and feature is designed to create a unique grand touring experience. The final front angle brings everything together: prestige, innovation, and presence. For drivers seeking a mix of design, comfort, and thrilling performance, the 2026 Bentley Continental GT remains a true automotive icon.